Hello! Welcome back to my channel! If you're new here, hello, nice to meet you. What a wonderful way to start our journey together because we are going hiking tomorrow! And I'm so excited. Today we are doing a little bit of prep work. So we are thinking of taking potato salad on our hike to have as our lunch. So we need to prepare that. We need to pack our bags. I need to make a little emergency kit. Anyways, this is the place that we are going hiking tomorrow. It's supposed to be this really magical, mystical place with like streams of water, maybe a little waterfall. They said that it's going to be very luscious and green and, so much nature. We love that. And I'm so excited. I'm a little bit nervous, I won't lie, about how slippery it's going to be. And part of the hike is going to be on some rocks, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I did not sign up for that, but I guess it's part of the adventure, so there's not much I could do about it. Anyways, I'm babbling too much. Let's get into the video. First step, making potato salad. Let's go. Hi. We have all of our ingredients prepped and ready right here. We have our potatoes, our boiled eggs. I've separated the whites from the yolks because we are going to use the yolk to make our sauce. We've got some onion, cucumber, dill, and to season, I'm going to use mayonnaise, of course, some pfeffer, also known as pepper, some vinegar, some salt, and some sriracha. Also, I forgot to show you that we need some mustard and a little bit of pickle juice. I wish we had pickles to put in, but I snacked on it yesterday night and we don't have any. And yeah. Anyways, before we get started, I need a little bit of fuel. So, do you want some tiramisu? Psych, sucker, you don't get any. Cheers. Cheers. So good. Anyways, so I went through almost half of the process and realized I forgot to hit the record button. Sorry. So to catch you up to speed, we mashed up the egg yolks and we added a bunch of mayonnaise or however you would like to call it, a little bit of mustard, and some salt. I also added a little bit of vinegar. I'm going to add a little bit of pickle juice. Now just be careful when you're adding pickle juice and vinegar. You might want to be careful not to make it too acidic because nobody likes a very acidic potato salad, my opinion. Anyways, and then let's add a little bit of pepper, also known as pepper. Oh, that was... And we are all Indians on this trip, so we can handle the spice. So I added a generous amount. Now mix that bad boy up. I can already smell the awesomeness. Sriracha. Oh, shoot. Now, obviously, this is done, but according to how much potato and other ingredients you have, you might have to add more to the mix, but this is a good base. So let's assemble our potato salad. Also, I'm going to make it in batches because I don't have a big enough vessel or container. Alrighty, this is my teapot. Or also known as chai pata. We put in our potato. It's nice and cool. I made them into little cubes, so I'm going to add that. Maybe like this much. Have some onion, some cucumber, also our sous chef made some bacon bites, so that can go last because it's still very warm. I'm going to add a little bit of dill. All right, and then we are going to add our saucy sauce in here, maybe 3/4 of it. Wow, these potatoes needed to be diced, I think. These were too big. I think we definitely need more sauce, but it's okay, make more. This is so beautiful. I feel like this potato transfer my joy. Okay, let's try a little bit. Okay, good. Alrighty, and just like that, we also packed it in our little container. We have 2 containers, one for myself and one for Yashin to carry, and it is full of potato salad. We also added the bacon bits, so it's going to be nice. So nice. Anyways, the next thing we have to do is to make an emergency kit and then to pack our bag. Let's get into it. I'm taking this little thingy right here to put all of our things in here. Now I do have a separate little bag to carry all of the feminine things, if you know what I mean. Some panty liners, an extra pair of underwear, some painkiller in case, you know, any of the girlies have cramps. And then in here, we're going to add a couple of band-aids, of course, the cartoon ones. I'm going to put a couple of ibuprofens, a little tweezer, and a scissors. I read this online that apparently when you go hiking, you should always have a pair of tweezers and a pair of scissors. Because you never know what might happen to you or somebody with you whilst you are in the wild. Especially, I think the tweezers are for, you know, those things that get stuck on your pants and on your shoes when you walk through fields and stuff. I think it's for that. Also, like, for other things. I'm going to also take a little mirror. Isn't it so cute? I've had this for so many years. My best friend got this for me. You know who you are. I miss you. So in goes our mirror. Then I have a little comb. Put it in there. I'm carrying a little travel size pack of a moisturizer. Actually, I got this little container and then I put my moisturizer in it. So I have a moisturizer container and then a hand cream container. The hand cream container, I'm going to keep it in my pocket. Yep. And then an extra lip balm and then some face wipes. Yep. Little nail file, because why not? Sometimes I wonder if I'm type A and then things like this happen and then I'm like 99% sure that I'm type A. Hey, good for me for being prepared. And good for the people that I hike with. Oh, I also forgot to add one more thing. I'm going to add a bunch of these little hair ties. You know what happened last time? I had this cute hairstyle going on, but then I had to stop at least like 3 to 4 times to redo my hair. This is the bag that I'll be taking with me. Alrighty, so let's pack our bag. I'm going to put my feminine products in here in the back. I'm going to take an extra pair of full sleeve kind of sporty wear just in case it gets colder than we expect. And then I'm going to take also an extra pair of socks. Emergency kit can go in this little pocket. I'm going to put my little standing tripod in here. My sunglasses can go in here. So wet wipe and tissues go in here. I'm also taking wired headphones, but also my Bluetooth ones. You never know what you vibe with. And then I'm taking 2 bottles of drinks. This will be my water and this will be my protein water, but I'll fill that up tomorrow morning. Taking my tripod, some bars, of course, our potato salad, and then some playing cards. This is what the inside looks like. In here will be our water bottles, and then somewhere here would be our potato salad. I'm going to clip my hat in here. We have a couple more things that we need to pack, such as power banks, some deodorant, charging cables, and things like that. But I've made a list of that and I stuck it right next to my entrance so I can think about it tomorrow before I leave. Tell me why that was exhausting, but you know, I can go to bed and sleep with the total satisfaction that everything is ready. I just have to wake up, eat breakfast, do my hair all nice and pretty, put on my clothes, and go hike. So I'll see you tomorrow morning. Good morning. The time is around 4:46. Wow. I got up at 4:30 to get a early start to our things. I made a nice cup of chai, and then our first thing is to get our hair done. I have this cute hairstyle in mind. I don't know if I can execute it. I don't know. Future Cynthia, can we execute it? Yes, it did pass, Cynthia. Look. Ta-da. Okay, good. Ready. We are going to the main station to take a train to Koblenz. We made it to Koblenz Stadtmitte. We need to take another bus from here. So, let's go. Just like that, we've started our little hike. Apparently, we need to hike up a little bit to get to our starting point. Unclear. So, anyways, it's so beautiful here. And also, all the houses, they look so cute and aesthetic. I mean, look at this. Oh, I would like a house like that with a little garden in front. One day, maybe. Let's see. Wandern gehen. Ta-da! Yay! Okay, tata. Officially entered the forest part of our hike. Now it looks a little adventurous. Let's hope the adventure serves us right. This is where I need to tell you that we actually took the wrong entrance, I think, because this was supposed to be the entrance, but we ended up exiting through this part. But anyways.
ചെളിയാൻ തുടങ്ങിയ ഇതാണ് നമ്മുടെ റൂട്ട്. ഈ സൈഡ് കുറച്ച് പിടിക്കാം, എന്നിലിടും. ഈ ചരിഞ്ഞൊന്ന് നിന്ന് ബാലൻസ് ചെയ്താൽ മതി. വടിയുള്ളവരൊക്കെ കൈ പിടിച്ചോട്ടോ, ആവശ്യം വരും. എനിക്ക് കുഴപ്പമൊന്നുമില്ല ഇതേവരെ. ഞാൻ ആദ്യം വീഴാൻ പോണപ്പം എത്ര
Naturally, 2.26 kilometers in, we arrived at our first stop where we have a park. So let's have some fun.
ചാടി തന്നെയാണ്.
പൊടിച്ച് ഇനി പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഒരു കാര്യമില്ലെന്ന്. Three kilometers in, it is so pretty here. I love it. There are like little streams of water and it's surrounded by the forest. Sun is shining. I love it. Little less than 5 kilometers in, and look at this. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm in another universe. We are surrounded by trees. So beautiful. I love it. Also very dangerous. Hey there. First snack of the day, choco banana. We are in a field kind of situation. Still very steep. Very cool thing that I learned from hiking last time is that apparently this is supposed to be our little guide. So you can choose from different colors of the routes that you want to go on. So the current one that we have chosen, the blue one, is a 17 kilometer hike, I believe. And you just follow the blue. I mean, we definitely have the map on our phones as well. But you know, if you want to go hands-free, then you look for the blue. Oh my gosh, there. And then you follow it. How cool, isn't it? I love it. We are almost 8 kilometers in. And oh my gosh, it's so sunny. And now it's getting a little too hot. I mean, look at this place. It's been very steep for the past, I think, a kilometer or two. And so we are really, feeling it in the glutes. Anyways, it's so pretty. This looks like a Windows wallpaper, doesn't it? So beautiful. Ta-da! Huh?
പെട്ടെന്നൊരു വിഷം വന്ന്
We've decided to stop and take a lunch break with these views. I mean, I cannot complain. Here is our amazing potato salad. Looks so beautiful and tastes so delicious. Cheers. Yeah. Oh, this is a little difficult. This is a little tricky. I mean, yeah. But the view is pretty though. Oh my gosh, look at that. Cool. The stairs that lead nowhere. Oh, I think that's a little restaurant kind of situation. Hi. So cute. I like it. We are going this way. We already had lunch, so we don't have to stop. We are going this way. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, sailing through the sky. Little Einstein. It's so adventurous. I feel like such an adventurous little girly, you know? Do you feel adventurous now that you're coming with me? Oh, so cute. I love this place so much. I think hiking was my calling.
പോട്ടെ പോട്ടെ.
Dankeschön.
ഓ ദേ റോപ്പ് എത്തിയല്ല. Beautiful wildflowers. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, this is so adventurous and cool. We have to hold on to this thing and go down. Oh, this is so cool. Now it feels like an adventure. So far it feels like a hike. Now it feels like an adventure. I'm loving it. Hello. ഇവിടെ തന്നെയാണല്ലേ? ഏതാ? അതാ. Just like that, our hike part is done. Now we have to get back to where we took our bus from. So we are walking there. But the views are still so great. It looks like a Legoland. So beautiful. Such a nice hike. Also, we had our second lunch. More potato salad. It was delicious. Alrighty, and with that we are ending our vlog here. Thanks for coming on this adventure with me. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. I'll see you guys next time.